The weather is getting drier, and coupled with my use of tretinoin, that means harsh times for my skin, so I decided to add a hydrating cleanser to my skincare routine. La Roche Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser is targeted at folks with normal to dry to sensitive skin. Formulated with ceramide, panthenol, niacinamide, and La Roche Posay's prebiotic thermal water, it claims to cleanse skin of dirt, makeup, and impurities while maintaining skin's natural moisture barrier and pH. While it truly leaves my skin feeling hydrated and not stripped, it does not remove makeup at all. It struggles terribly with makeup. You can't rely on this to take off waterproof makeup and sunscreen. It works best as a morning cleanser and as a nighttime routine second cleanser after one has used a cleansing oil to get rid of makeup and sunscreen. When it comes to pricing, it's on par with 𝐟𝐴Ze's Hydrating Cleanser at $14 for 400 ml of product. So far so good. It hasn't irritated my skin in any way, so I'll definitely continue using it till the weather is back to normal again. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.